What's up, you guys? So we're going on to 2 months being locked. My hair is very frizzy. I have a lot of new growth, some gel buildup, but I'm going to be taking you all through my wash day. So my wash day has really changed since I've become locked. I don't use as many conditioners and deep conditioners, stuff like that, because I don't want to get any weird buildup. All I basically use is shampoos and oils. That's pretty much all I'm going to be doing on my wash day. But one product that I will be using that I've used on a bit of clients is this Supergirl hair gel. I ran through a bottle of it because I was using it on my cousin Candace. But I love this. I tried to be a shea butter retwist girl. My hair is too soft for that. I can't do it. So I needed like a gel, but I didn't want something with like beeswax, because why? Anybody want to mold in their locks? And two, I didn't want to use like anything that had like a bunch of petroleum and mineral oils, because I still want my scalp to be able to breathe. I want it to be able to be like, we're here, we can breathe. So I get this. If you're in Charleston, Gullah Root sells it. It's Supergirl hair gel, regular hold with biotin and placenta extracts. Has water, bee honey, coconut oil, shea butter, olive oil, basil, safflower oil, peach leaf extract, birch extract, coltsfoot extract, horsetail, cedarwood, rosemary, onion juice, vegetable proteins, biotin, allantoin, natural glycerin, and vegetable aroma. So it is a clear gel, but this is what I'm going to use for my retwist, and I'm going to take you with me in the shower. So get ready to see me naked. shampoos. This is how my locks look. They're a lot shinier, they're a lot cleaner. I only have this one that slipped out. And this one still in? Yeah. None of the back have slipped out. So 2 months, I'm not mad. Like, it's not that bad. It's not as bad as expected. This would look like it would want to slip out so bad, but it didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my retwist using the Supergirl hair gel. This one that slipped out, it still has like a little dent feel like right there. So what I'm gonna do to help this one not slip out in the future is I'm gonna twist all the way down the shaft. When I get closer to the end, I'm going to braid, just because I want to keep that in. But yeah, so I'm going to divide my hair into sections and go ahead and start retwisting. Here's a look at my hair from the back. I never really see my hair from the back, so this will be my first time seeing it when y'all see it. So yep, gonna start my retwist process. It shouldn't take me longer than like, well, an hour and a half, so I'm gonna watch Law or SVU. But that's how I keep my hair clean, and it doesn't feel stripped because I followed up with a moisturizing shampoo because I refuse to use conditioner on my hair. So we're gonna move along. So off the camera, I sat underneath my dryer for around 45 minutes, and y'all, I have the most perfect retwist. Like, my parts are so clean. Everything's really neat and dry. Here's the back. Like, it just looks amazing. Like, it has movement. What I love about the product is that it is not greasy. It doesn't leave any buildup. It doesn't flake. Like, it just literally held my hair like it's never held it before. And then, like, produces the most prettiest retwist. Like, look at my edges. Like, this is just amazing. So I'm going to try to go another 4 weeks without another retwist. This is my 2nd month locks. I have 128 locks, and I truly am loving this. Like, I'm loving my journey. I'm loving how my locks are looking and forming, especially in the back, how thick they are. And I'm so excited. So thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to always have a great and wonderful day. And during this holiday season, remember that no matter your situation, no matter what you're going through, that God still loves you. And I love you too. You feel me? You feel me? All right. Y'all take care. See you later.